In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $10 every 2 minutes. This is something that is working worldwide. You can do this from your computer, you can do this from your cell phone, and there are several payment methods. Yeah, you can get paid with PayPal, you can get paid with Skrill, even you can get paid with Bitcoin. Hey, hello, my name is Dina Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $10 every 2 minutes. This is something worldwide. As you guys can see, this person just withdraw $28.50. This other, he decides to go with PayPal and withdraw $18.77, $5 here, $2 here, $1, $95, and so on. There are several pages of withdrawal. And how you can actually get paid? Well, it's actually really simple. You can be getting paid just by answering quick surveys, and I don't mean like really long surveys that are going to be taking forever. These are quick surveys. You can work from home, you can do it on your own schedule, and you can get paid every single day because there are guarantees that you're going to get paid between 24 hours. Okay, you can also go and check here on Trustpilot. They have 4.5 stars of review out of 5. So people are really loving it. And so far they have paid over $2 million. Chances are that you might be wondering, like, Diana, is there any other way I can get paid or I can earn money with this besides answering the surveys? And the answer is yes. You can do this by watching videos, by playing games, by completing trial offers, okay? So by doing quizzes. So this is another way in which you guys can get paid, okay? The name of this website, it's called Rewardingways.com. Okay, you can go to Rewardingways.com and you can join 100% free just by clicking here where it says join free. You're gonna land on this page, okay, and you just need to complete your registration in 30 seconds. Okay, so you just need to put your first name, your last name, a username that it can be, or it needs to be between 4 to 25 characters, a password. Please make sure that you're going to be using an email address because they're going to send you news and updates. My suggestion is always create a separate email address from your personal email address so you know that, okay, all the ways in which I can actually make money online are going directly to this email address. So in my case, I use a separate email address and I strongly suggest you guys to do that. Okay, just put your mailing address. And just in case that you're wondering, like, is this going to be available in my area or maybe just in the US? Well, there are tons of countries in which you can actually join. So I'm pretty sure yours is going to be here. Okay. Type in your payment method. Okay. How do you want to get paid? Do you want to get paid with PayPal? Do you want to get paid with Skrill? Maybe you want to go with Bitcoin. Okay. Click here where it says, I understand. I agree with privacy policy. Please make sure that you are going to be ready to receive their emails, accept the terms and conditions, and click here where it says, I'm not a robot. By the way, guys, let me know in the comment area where you guys are from. Okay, I want to know where you guys are from because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is actually helpful for you guys. And I'm going to be giving you several websites or different payment methods or different ways in which you actually can earn money from your area. Okay, once you are ready and you click here where it says register, you are gonna receive this message, successful or success. A confirmation email has been sent to your email address. Okay, please make sure that you're gonna check that you receive the email from Rewardingways. In my case, it landed on my spam folder. So if for whatever reason you're not able to find it, okay, check on your spam folder. Okay, you can click the link over there or you can copy and paste the code and click here where it says confirm. If you did not receive it, you can also click here where it says resend email. Okay, you can click here where it says resend email. Remember, go ahead and check the spam folder. Okay, now you are ready, you are all set, and you're gonna be landing on the home page where you're getting a bonus. By the time recording this video, they are offering an entry bonus. Okay, and you're gonna see several ways. You can also have like a small chat room in which you have, some comments, some questions. Okay, so you can click here and join the conversation. Here again, you can see the reviews. You can see like people are actually making money. Okay, now what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be clicking here where it says earn money online. Okay, please be there, and you're gonna see several ways in which you can earn money. You can also go to the most popular one. Okay, you can give your opinion. You can go to revenue surveys. Okay, you can go to your surveys, the popular surveys. Okay, so if you go to the popular surveys, you're gonna see the ones that they do have available. This is the top 4 paid surveys so far. Okay, these are the best surveys. This is the list of surveys, and this is something that I really like about the popular surveys. For example, this one. Okay, they are requesting people from the US, UK, Canada, Spain, and another country, and they are willing to pay you $1.20 just for answering a survey. Maybe you're like, Diana, I'm not from the US. Okay, what about international? This one, it's great. 85 cents for people who are all over the world. Also, this one, 70 cents. Okay, this is how people are actually making money. Here, your opinion matters. $1.10. Okay, it doesn't matter where you are. You have good ways to make money online. Check this one, 80 cents. And of course, there are others in which they're willing to pay 15 cents, 32 cents, and so on. Another one here, $1.20. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you guys at. You are gonna be able to make money online. Okay, so here is how everything looks like. Okay, if you click on a survey, for example, this one, it's willing to pay 85 cents. Okay, just click on it, do it, and also please make sure that you're going to be checking on the conversation just to make sure that you are not going to miss anything. For example, this person, he or she, they already earned $11.15. Okay, just for using Rewardingways. Okay, by the way, guys, keep watching this video because at the end I'm gonna be revealing another way in which you can actually make even more money online. I know this is actually interested of how you can use Rewardingways.com. Okay, so which are the payment methods that this platform has available? Okay, we have another person here who makes $3.50. Okay, so you can earn money or you can withdraw your money with PayPal. The minimum is $1. Okay, you're gonna receive it normally between 8 hours. Okay, where we have instant PayPal. Okay, the maximum you can withdraw is $50 and the minimum is just $1. You can go with Shrill. Okay, the minimum is $5, and you can also go with Bitcoin. The minimum is $30. Okay, all the payments will be instructed between 24 hours. They are trying to pay you really fast. For example, with PayPal and the PayPal Instant. Okay, so and something really important if you decide to go with Bitcoin is that they're gonna be converted to Bitcoin based on the exchange rate available at the time of the payment. Okay, this is a great way in which you guys can earn money online, but you need to put the hours if you want to make money with Rewardingways.com. If you guys want to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online, I mean making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, being able to, have money that is going to change your life forever, fire your boss, live your life in your own terms. I'm going to leave the link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, so Again, if you have some comments, some questions regarding this, leave it in the comment area. Also, please let me know where you guys are from. I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is actually helpful for you. This is it for this video. Please keep watching the next video.